Do you ever wonder if your chapstick is making your lips worse in the summer? I stopped using mine for 7 days and tried something different. Let's just say my lips had a glow up. You're going to want to see this. Hi Glow Getters, I'm Jenice Story, founder of AJ's EO Infusions. I'm thrilled to have you here today. I'm a nurse, essential oil specialist, and self-care advocate. My journey started with a passion for holistic health and a desire to help others achieve their best selves. And today, we're breaking down why most lip care products fail you and what actually works. Have you ever felt frustrated with lip balms that just don't deliver? You're not alone. If you're already curious, head to AJ's EO Infusions and grab your scrub to glow with me.
Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you never miss a moment of inspiration, insight, or a wellness win. We're building something beautiful here, and trust me, you'll want to be part of every glow up. Let's keep rising one episode at a time.
Our lip scrub is designed to nourish and rejuvenate your lips, giving you that perfect glow. Join our community and start your journey to healthier, happier lips today.
Quick disclaimer, the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. As a nurse, I'm sharing general wellness information and not providing medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare provider for any health concerns. As an aromatherapist, I am providing information about the use of essential oils. Please consult with a qualified aromatherapist before using essential oils, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have any health concerns, conditions, or if you are new to essential oils. Essential oils should always be diluted appropriately before application, and always perform a patch test before any new product usage.
Chapstick feels soothing, but it's often petroleum-based, which traps your lips in a cycle of dryness. It forms a barrier without healing. Imagine putting plastic wrap over a dry sponge. It looks protected, but it stays dry underneath. Instead of masking the problem, our lip butter scrub heals. It's not just a temporary fix, it's a long-term solution for healthier lips. The combo of sugar exfoliation and essential oil infusion gently lifts dead skin while deeply nourishing. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells, while the essential oils penetrate deeply to hydrate and rejuvenate your lips. It's creamy, portable, and yes, even usable in the summer heat without melting into a mess. You can carry it in your bag and use it anytime, anywhere. Warm weather actually activates the oils, making them more effective. The heat helps the oils to penetrate deeper into the skin, providing even more hydration and nourishment. Each oil plays a role in transforming your lips, not just making them soft, but helping them stay that way. This isn't about adding another product to your routine. It's about creating a moment of peace and tranquility in your day. I started using my lip butter scrub as part of my nightly ritual, a small but significant act of self-care. That 30 seconds before bed became sacred. No phone, no rush, just me, my thoughts, and a moment to unwind. A small way to choose myself again, to remind myself that I deserve this care and attention. Self-care doesn't need to be a spa day or an elaborate routine. Sometimes it's just smooth lips and deep breaths, a a simple ritual that brings a sense of calm and well-being. Let's recap. We talked about the power of switching from chapstick to essential oil-infused lip butter, how it transforms not just your lip care, but your self-care routine, and what to avoid when choosing products. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment below what you're trying this week. Oh, and bonus tip, store your lip scrub in the fridge for an extra cooling effect in the summer. It feels like a spa treatment every time. For more glow-up tips, check out the playlist linked here. And if you're ready to treat your lips like royalty, shop now at AJ's EO Infusions. Until next time, keep glowing naturally. Break the cycle, drop the chapstick, upgrade your glow with a product that's as intentional as you are.